Hey, West Coast Johnny, how's it going? So what I'm working on right now, I have a 1930 Ford Model A hot rod I'm building. There's other videos about it, and it has its own playlist. But I'm doing all the body work myself. I wasted months and months and months waiting and looking for other body shops and stuff. And finally, the last place I went to, when I showed him some photos, and then he saw the scamp in the background. And I was telling him how I redid it and stuff, and then he pretty much convinced me that I could do all the body work myself, and I kind of left feeling like, wow, that's really cool. I didn't think I could do it. I thought, oh, I need to have a professional do it. But you know what? And I hate to sound arrogant, but when you know how to use tools and you know that how steps are, everything has their steps involved in each progression of the project. And if you can just learn how to do those, each one step at a time, you can do anything yourself. I taught myself a lot of stuff. So we're going to tackle this whole car. I'm doing all the body work, and I'm going to paint it myself. Or at least get it in a sealer, primer sealer, and then maybe I'll have a friend come shoot it. But that's what we're doing. So let me show you what's going on. Okay, well, here is the body, the 5-window coupe. It's upside down. That's the dashboard. It came out of a 57 Plymouth Fury, and the dashboard was originally 72 inches long, and I cut out 30 inches out of it. And that's going in. But do you see this rough? All that rough? That's from when it was getting sandblasted. Had a lot of rust on it, and then it revealed all this, and this is really thick. It's really like 1/8 of an inch or so. So I'm going to sand all that off, and we got to do the whole car. This is where it was chopped and stuff. So, but we got like little dings, like one here, dent here. If you can see that in the light, all this needs. See how wrinkly that is, and all up on the cowl here. So I'm going to work it, and we're going to make it look really good, and then we're going to put it in a primer sealer. Before I put my respirator on and my earplugs, I wanted to show you what I'm using. It's 40 grit, very rough, but see how nice these are? These are 6-inch peel and stick adhesives. I bought like a whole stack of them. They're really nice. So that's what I'm using to hog off all this roughness. You know what? Anyone can do this. Any of you guys can do this. It's just a matter of steps. So because this is almost a 1/4 inch thick, I know I'm going to be sanding this down with this 40 grit paper for maybe 25 minutes straight, half an hour. And that's okay though, okay? And because if you can have the patience and you can do it, then you can really do pretty much anything you put your mind to. So we're just, like I said, we're going to do this ourselves. I'm actually happy to do it myself now. I'm going to do the whole thing myself. And it's going to look just like it was done at the best body shop in the world. You'll see.